In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Squarespace Mobile. If you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your Squarespace site, adding a video can be an excellent way to engage your audience and make your content more dynamic. So let's get started with a straightforward guide that'll have you uploading videos in no time. First, you'll need to open your Squarespace account and head straight to your Squarespace editor. This is where we can make all the magic happen, arranging and customizing our site to our liking. Once you're in the editor interface, navigate to the option that says Add Block. This is a crucial step as we're going to be adding a video block to your site. The Add Block button is usually quite visible, and it's your gateway to enhancing your page content with various elements, including our target, the video block. Now, after clicking Add Block, you'll see a selection of options. Make sure to choose Video. This option opens up specific features dedicated to embedding and customizing video content on your page. It's a simple step, but it's important you select video so the content is displayed correctly on your site. From here, click on the Mobile View icon. This feature allows you to see how your page is going to look on mobile devices. It's an invaluable tool as more and more users are browsing from their mobile phones, and you want to ensure your site provides a clean and professional look across all device types. Once you've set your mobile view, click again on Video to proceed further. It reaffirms the focus on this block, ensuring we have the correct content selected for our edits. Now you're ready to make some edits. You'll see an option to click on Edit. Doing this will open up additional settings where you can input the specifics of your video content. Make sure to explore these options to tailor your video presentation to match your style and the tone of your website. Within the Edit section, there will be an option that says Add a Video. This is where you'll actually begin the process of incorporating your video file into the Squarespace environment. Now, when you are ready to upload, look for the Upload File button. This option allows you to directly upload a video file from your device. If you have a local file ready to go, this is one of the quickest ways to get content directly onto your site. Alternatively, if the video you want to use is already in your library, click on Select from Library. This option is handy if you've uploaded videos to your Squarespace account before, or if you are reusing them across different pages or sections. If your video resides on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you can also click on those options for embedding. Using these options allows you to link videos hosted externally, which can save on your Squarespace storage usage and may help your site load faster. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now seamlessly add video content to your Squarespace mobile site, enhancing its engagement potential and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.